Best pick for September, POWI, and I also answer you why I'm investing in the company that's not profitable yet. You heard this thing before. We are going to unpack it in detail why I'm buying a company that's are not yet profitable, and especially why I'm investing in the power POWI, power integrations Rigetti. Many people ask me this: Can why I'm investing or buying the Rigetti when the company is not profitable? That's true. It's not profitable yet. You may ask why. Why would I buy a company? The fair question is answer lies in the future, and I also show you my detailed swing entries for POWI here. If you will see here, the deep dip and reversal and breakout. I will also explain you on the basis of chart analysis how I find these entries. I use RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, and Ichimoku clouds, and trend line. This is your POWI chart. So if you will see, and I also show you why I'm investing those companies in the end. So let's say POWI. If you will see here, long-term downtrend, clear downtrend. You can see in the chart downtrend. So if I will make a parallel channel, you can see it clearly downtrend. So again, these questions, you can also get a profitable trade even in the downtrend. If somebody buy here, sell here, and buy here, sell here. Now finally the downtrend is breaking up here, as you see. So in the weekly chart, daily chart, see here. So we have here now, most likely this is our major support on the chart here, approximately here, and this will be our reversal entry, a little more down here, something like here, and it may go back and retest this level. You see this thing on a Tesla chart, and this is, if you will see, a inverse wedge patterns. So we already learned this thing before. So these wedge patterns are most likely to break upward as it did. So in the reversal entry, POWI here, and let me show you a little more in the chart. Long-term downtrend, losing stream, early signs of potential reversal. Rising volume in the recent green candles, accumulation in progress. And why POWI important? That's the key. Why we discussing POWI? What they do? We also discuss this one in the video. And weekly chart, daily chart, balance, bounce, consolidations. Data centers need energy, need power, and these companies are providing power. If you heard this in the news, data centers, APLD, remember, Rigetti, and Wolf, Iron, and these are the data centers need energy. Today it is a 4% energy we needed, but in 2028 these data centers needed 12% energy of the whole country. So where this power come from? Where this gap will be filled? Because nuclear energy is not here yet, but for short term we need another energy companies. GE Vernova, one of the company, they can also grow in this trend. Indicators here, professional notes, and conclusions. So this is your homework, study at home. I will not go one by one. So you will see what I get these numbers, and MACD, multi-time frames, confluence, because we showed study 3 months chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and daily chart. And this is when we break down the chart, we can go get a conclusions. So this is now let's talk about a little bit of POWI. Why this company is in my list today. So POWI, this company have power integrations, has developed its properties, and is a gallium nitride switch technology rated at 1250 volt and 1700 volt, which is significantly higher than the typical GN devices. Higher voltage rails allow lower currents for the same power, which means thinner cables, less copper, less loss, more efficient power delivery in a high density racks. So in the conclusions, POWI is not just another chip company, it's a building the power foundation for the next generations of AI data centers. Their high voltage GaN switches allow data centers to go to 800 volt DC power delivery, which means more computers power in a smaller spaces and less waste and higher efficiency. If AI compute keeps scaling, the power infrastructure has to scale too. That's where POWI comes in. So whole country, like, if you ever see like NVIDIA, AMD, OpenAI, and all of these companies, the semiconductors, they're rivals, but they come together. Why? Because we're going to start something bigger. That's individual level is not possible. Now is a race for the as a country level. So which country come forward, go first? So all the country come together in one. So it can be work as a mission. So before, world economy based on US dollar. US dollar was a still a safe asset. It was very safe asset. People before even crypto, Bitcoin, so those things, these safe assets, that even people want to buy dollar to as a secure assets, even the gold before, and they give more preference to dollar. Now the governments want to make a whole country's economy based on AI based economy, and this is only possible if we develop AI technology. And developing AI technology is not one country job. NVIDIA or AMD, they cannot do all at once. So all these companies come together, investing the money all together, making the circular deals, so they can work as a unity. So I feel very confident. Maybe if one company going to be forward, I say maybe, I don't know. But when all the companies, the major companies, the CEO of these companies are great people, intelligent, IQ, Tesla, you know these people, right? So if they come forward and investing money, and the Meta CEO say, I will be happy to be bankrupt than not investing in AI. So it sounds like real to me. And that's why today I'm going to answer you why I'm investing a company that's not profitable yet. So this is, let me go back to the chart for POWI. So you can see here, and I'll show you the strategy. So you can also study the strategy at the same time. Okay. So you can also study and do some homework. And in the meantime, I'll give you an answer for the why I'm investing the money, right? So for example, say the total addressable market is 100 billion. Let's say, just example. For education and information purpose only, this video we made to educate the community how you can educate yourself for the economy, for the stocks, for the financial of the country. So let's total addressable market 100 billion, and the company can capture 10%. So what is that 10% of 100 billions of it? That's just 10 billion in a revenue. Then if you apply a reasonable multiple of future sales and earning, the current price may look undervalued relative to a potentials. Of course, there is a risk, technology risk, competitions, execution risk. So buying unprofitable company is more speculative. That's why you must understand their secular tailwinds behind them. So Power AI is one of my topic here, and let's say I give you another example. I open a store, my personal story, like one grocery store, and when I open the store, that the value of the store 4 years ago, it was around $50,000, with including the grocery and the rent and or infrastructures of that store. One store in San Francisco, rent, the infrastructures inside the store and the groceries, $50,000. At that time, if somebody come to join me and say, hey, I want to be your partner, how much you will want? I say, okay, give me $25,000. because I know 50,000 my full investment here. He give me 25, he will be half partner, or he buying a share. For let's say he buying a stock of half share of my company, just for education, for learning. So why unprofitable company help to investing to what? This is my, so after every month my sales, first few months sales is consistent. At least I have some sale, but it's not enough, but consistent sale. Then this sales growing up, 1,000 a day, then it become a 2,000 a day, 5,000 a day. After 4 years, the value of my store right now is $5,000. It was $50,000 before, 4 to 5 years ago. Now is a $500,000, the value of the store. And if someone come today, hey, I want to be a partner, I say, okay, you can be my partner, give me $250,000. It was before because my company was unprofitable. But the idea was is this grocery store will work fine. It's in the best locations, and people are need this kind of grocery, and then it's growing consistently. So the value now increased because sale increased. Now it's 500,000, and now you want to be a partner, $250,000, and in 10 next 10 years, the value of the store if become $8,000. If that time you want to be my partner, that will be $400,000. Today is $250,000. I hope I answered your questions, but there is a risk because the company is not profitable. We study and see what they are selling, what their technology, what is this technology efficient. If you believe AI is real, you think it's quantum computing is real. We need a quantum computing from the world. So Rigetti, one of the options. So this is again, this is not a financial advice. It's only for information and entertainment purpose only. So do your own homework and study. And today my pick is POWI, and I already bought POWI in the first video here. You can see here. And POWI give you first time in my community. POW. If you are in my Discord channel, you can search here POWI. The link below for the Discord, and you can also get an alert. Target hit first. This is for in automatic systems, so you can get alerts. Target hit 2, target 1 hit. And if you guys go here, back here, when I give you this strategy in October 13, yeah, market update, and then I make a video here. Should we make a video? Yeah, in NVIDIA's secret partners with the power integrations, the hidden energy stocks. I made the video on October 13, and hopefully give a strategy somewhere here. Yeah, here. Yes, POWI strategy here. I give the price to buy 37, 38, 40, and break out $40. And today, POWI is 45 and 48 cents. It came from $50. So in October 13, the price was, when we give you strategy to the YouTube community, to the Discord community, because my Discord community gets the alert first, then YouTube community, and the price was 37, 38, 40, and today's dollar. It came 40, 50, now come 45. Wall Street always gives you a second chance to get in. So reversals, deep entries are a gift from the Wall Street. If you didn't get a chance to first time, you get a second time. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Again, this is not a financial advice. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.